Hi, this is Team Agora, and I'm David, leading the ML and orchestration layer in Agora. I worked on the deliberation engines, the factional debate system, the ISP weighted vote engine, and the Thomson sampling selector that actively learns the mechanism to use in real time. Besides that, I also worked on the tool calling functionality of agents so that agents can search the web, retrieve relevant context from websites, and even execute code in a sandboxed environment based on the files that you provide to them.
Hello, I'm Joshua, and I built the front end. The live canvas you see where agents deliberate in real time, tool calls, streaming inline, entropy meters, updating as consensus forms, that's all wired up to the live SSE stream from our backend. I also built the benchmarks dashboard with a heat map and analytics. The goal was to make something this technically dense feel intuitive, so anyone can know exactly what the agents are doing and why.
Hi, I'm Joshua Opare-Boateng, and I was in charge of deployment and infrastructure operations, with which I set up the Google Cloud Run deployment and built CI/CD pipelines so the team could ship continuously. I also managed the devnet deployment of our Anchor contract and the Solana RPC integration through Helios. My job was making sure that everything David and Joshua built could reach the world reliably. Thanks.